morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. So, you all know that I was not active from the past few days. So, it's a good news for all of you that after a hiatus of approx 15 days, I am back again with my live sessions on YouTube. So, today I am going to discuss some important quality words which are imperative for you if you are pursuing English language. If you really want to improve this language, so today I will tell you why lexical resources are important for you, why collocation matter in English language, so that you can easily improve yourself day by day. Whatever problem you people are facing while speaking, while writing, while reading, so whenever you will have a command over lexical resource and you came across a new word, so it will be very easy for you to understand those lines. What happens with the student when they read something, they can't comprehend what is written there. So the only reason behind it is that your lexical resource is not that good so that you can understand. So today I am back again after 10 to 15 days. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel SB Overseas. And many students they are commenting below my videos that sir, why don't you interact with us so that we can see you live. Dear, I don't have the studio with me, so I will try my best. Yesterday I have installed the graphic cards in my system, so now I can edit long videos quickly. So I will try my best to add some views in between the videos in the PPTs so that you can understand and you can interact with me, so that I can create a classroom environment in the video. So thank you for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel SB Overseas, and I will try to keep the content in Hindi and English, so it's a English version. So सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा SB Overseas YouTube चैनल को. समय समय पर एक फिर से मैं एक्टिव रहूंगा. मैं बिजी था कुछ दिनों के लिए, तो इसलिए मैं लाइव नहीं आ पा रहा था. तो आज से फिर से शुरू करते हैं उस सीरीज को, और एक मरतबा फिर से जिस चेन को हमने शुरू किया था उसको हम रोजाना अब कुछ नए वर्ड्स के साथ आपके साथ रूबरू होते रहेंगे. धन्यवाद.